Hi. In the last video, we discussed on 1/4 scale pattern of circular skirt for 3-year baby girl. Points we discussed are fabric width, measurements required for doing the circular skirt, how to calculate the waist circumference, how to calculate the length of the skirt excluding belt, discussed on length and width of the belt required, and this is the final pattern of 1/4 scale pattern of circular skirt. In this video, we will see how to apply this 1/4 scale pattern of circular skirt on brown sheet and on fabric. I have taken the brown sheet and I folded it into half. I have taken 18 inches of fabric width and made a square A, B, C, D with side length 18 inches. Mark waist circumference 3.5 inches from the point A to A1 and A to A2 and join the points A2 and A1 which forms an arc. Mark the length of the skirt which is 14 inches from the point A2 to A3 and A1 to A2 and form a curve by joining A3 and A4 points. Length of the belt is 1/4 inch and total width of the belt is 12 inches. Join the points A, E, F, C. Now I am cutting the pattern. I have folded the fabric into half and pin the draft and then start tracing. I am giving 1/2 inch for the hem allowance and for the side length I am giving 1 inch seam allowance. And for the waist circumference give 1/2 inch. I have given 1/2 inch seam allowance for the hem and 1 inch for the side length and 1/2 inch for the waist circumference. Now redraw this is center front. Now we have to cut for the center back. Follow the same to I finished cutting both the panels front and back. Now I will tell you how to stitch. To one of the side length we have to give a stitch completely and another side we are placing the zip. Now I am stitching zip to the one of the side lengths. To construct the zip we require hip depth. My hip depth is 4 inches. To that 4 inches I am adding additional 2 inches. Start measuring at this point. Mark at 6 inches. Now from this point to this point give a 5 number stitch, that is loose stitch, and from this point to end of the skirt go for normal stitch. To prevent raveling, fold 1/4 inch of the placket like this and give a stitch. Follow the same to other side also. I have given stitch like this. I have given 5 number stitch from this point to till hip depth 6 inches. Open the skirt, spread the placket, take the zip, turn back and place at the center of the joining of the placket and pin either sides. To attach zip to the placket, give a stitch at the edge of the zip and to the placket. Now attach the zip to the placket, turn the skirt to the front and remove the 5 number stitch. Open the zip. Pull the zip completely back. Turn the zip to this side and pin it. We have to give a stitch at the edge of the teeth of the zip, extreme edge. I finished stitching the zip. Now join the side lengths. I finished stitching the side lengths of the skirt and the zip. Now I'll show you how to cut belt and attaching the belt to the skirt. Just pin the skirt. Here I'm using the collar fusing. I folded the fusing into half. Place the skirt. Match the side length of the skirt to the unfold of fusing. Now trace the waist. From here take 1.5 inch. Belt length is 1/4 inch. Place the belt on the bias of the fabric. The fusing which I am using has gum. When we iron, it will stick to the fabric. Now give seam allowance 1/2 inch. For the waist circumference I have given 1/2 inch seam allowance. I am following the same for the waistband also. Now I am going to cut on one side. Now fold the fabric like this. And give a stitch on the fusing to the fabric, starting from here, continuing the straight and stop till here. I have given stitch at the edge of the fusing to the fabric and turn the belt like this and iron it. After ironing, cut the excess fabric. Pin the waistband to the skirt. Once pinning the waistband to the skirt like this and start stitching. This is how the whole frock looks like on stitching the belt to the flare. As a final task, hem the borders of the flare. After hemming, it will look like this. This is the final output of the skirt.